I started this company 3.5 years ago. What got me into the industry from the very beginning was I didn't have many options. I was from Adelaide. So when I moved to Melbourne, I didn't have a job. I worked in a AIRBNB cleaning company at the first place to start me knowing this industry. Before that, when we didn't have Operto, we use all sorts of, task management software where they are free. Like for example, Trello. The feedback is it worked okay on a smaller size of portfolio, like 50 to 80, where we only have 8 to 10 claims per day. That's what I have been using before Operto. Trello wasn't even a software. It was just to get by. We never had a software in terms of claiming tasks. I consider myself as the largest AIRBNB operator in Melbourne. We have over 200 listings in Melbourne, right? We do operate in other states. Since I'm based in Melbourne, I focus in Melbourne market a lot. So with that kind of size of company, the more properties you have, the more problems. We need a reliable software to manage our cleaning task. For example, in January, we generate nearly 1,000 claims just in a month. 1,000 claims plus we have 10, maybe more cleaners in-house. How we manage that? We take out the cleaning business out of the Oasis state operation. It's a sizable business. We are talking about over 2 or 3 million revenue a year. In order to do that, we use Operto to achieve some certain goals. For example, we put everything in autopilot mode. We don't have to worry about missing a claim because everything will be generated very correctly from Operto. Just assign the jobs using Operto to each cleaners. Those cleaners, they have a very clear instruction on Operto. Everything we can check on Operto. So that helps us a lot. The reason we chose Operto is not about saving the cost, it's about making it more efficient. And someday we might have like 100 claims a day. There's no way manually we can filter out those claims and assign to the cleaners individually with all the information to each property. There's no way we can do that manually. Operto is very reliable as long as we know how to follow the rules. For example, within Guesty, Guesty is property management software. We know if we only block the dates, Operto won't generate claims. So therefore, we follow the rules. We're not going to block the dates. We just create the bookings so that claim can be generated automatically. So as long as we know how it works and follow these rules, our whole operation progress seems very seamless. The reliability feels like it's accurate. We never miss the claim. If we did miss the claim, definitely has something to do with us, not Operto. Maybe something we have done wrong. It's never Operto says, I got a technical issue. That's why you missed the claim. So reliability, yeah. What I liked about Operto, one, is very reliable. It's a good software. It makes sense. And it can customize what we want. It's kind of like similar to open source, right? We can alter our rules in Operto. Operto makes me forget about Operto. That's how great it is. I don't have to think there's a cleaning software. Somehow I take it for granted, as in I don't even know its existence. That's how it should be. So that means everything is in line, everything is seamless. We don't have to think about that's Operto's job. It's just like us breathing air. We don't appreciate how air is important. That's how efficient Operto can make my business run. I tend to forget about it. It provides that certainty. It costs us no trouble. We know it's always there, so that's why we don't have to worry about it. We don't have to check it. We don't have to review it.